Guys, hello classmates, hello teacher. Today I got a experiment. It is walking water. First we need tissue and 3 glasses and color food and water. So I'm gonna start. Only half of this. Can you help me? It's so big. So now I'm gonna put tissue from here to there. First I need to pour the food coloring a little bit. Put the green. One. Oops. And then the red. But a little. Now, let's start it. So, we're gonna put the tissues. My tita prepare it. Put it here. And now the other. A little near. And now let's wait to walk this up the tissue. Wait a little minute. The red is almost rising up. So I got the right idea. We can raise this color to the tissue. So now let's start. So guys, it's already traveled on the empty glass and now it's the same size on left and right. And now this is so fast to do it. So look at the bubbles there. Bubbles. Bye.